What's up, everybody? Today we are playing Subway Surfers. So let's begin. I'm gonna try to beat my record today. Jukes! Woo! This guy can't get me. Oh, Jukes! Woo! Jump! Jukes! Jukes! Oh, Jukes! Woo.
Dude, are you scared? I'm officially terrified. All I can think is my finger getting fractured. Magnets are no joke, dude. They're crazy. How do you know? There's YouTube videos on them.
Alright, right now I'm trying to watch a YouTube video while playing this. I'm doing surprisingly well.
Can we get a set? He's all, yeah, you do.
So I know you guys are probably like, what's going on? Well, that's because I have just started this series. I'm calling it the Subway Surfer series. I'm probably going to do like 40 episodes. If not like so much more. Depending on what happens. So, if you guys don't like me talking during this video, just write in the comment section and I will see what I can do about that. So, if you like Subway Surfers, like and subscribe to my channel if you have not already. And if you already subscribed, just like to my channel.
You don't even have any subscribers.
Yes, I do.
How many?
10. I'm joking. I don't know how many. I might have some, I might not. Jump over the dumpster. So, as you all know, I just started my channel. As I all know, I just started my channel yesterday. No, not yesterday, 2 days ago. And I'm already doing gaming. I made a video on it today, I think, about gaming. I'm gonna figure out how to do gaming on the Xbox. Probably look it up on YouTube. Well, so. Dad! Jump. No! I get it, you cannot connect. Might as well just use it. Write in the comment section below, how far have you gotten on Subway Surfers? Like, what's the farthest you've gotten? I retry and try again until I can't end the video. I'm gonna probably end this video around 5 minutes.
Why 5?
Because remember, we can only do 6 minutes.
You have to delete all the videos on the same.
Really?
I'll do it, don't worry.
Once it makes 6 minutes?
I'm glad you gave us like all these warnings. I would have definitely had it.
Really, once it reaches 6 minutes, you have to delete all your videos? Then what you have to do after 6 minutes?
It just stops.
I'm still gonna end it at like 5 minutes, maybe 5 minutes and 30 seconds, depending on what happens. If you guys don't know, you can, you guys can literally jump sideways. Also, tomorrow we're going to Jump Highway.
You're not.
Yeah, I am. Mom said I can go.
But I'll be holding the phone and on my YouTube account. I'll do front flips and break my neck in a video.
No, Dominic, you already know that I'm going to be doing that stuff. So if you guys want to see me hurt myself again.
On my account.
No, on my account. We'll make a video on my account and on your account. So, it's already 4 minutes and like 4 minutes and 24 seconds. So we're going to be ending soon.
Subscribe to my channel. The link will in
It will be in the description down below.
The link will be in the
Description. Yeah, you know what he means. If you can't hear him, he says, subscribe to his channel and subscribe to mine. So, also in the comment section, name the most coins you ever gotten in Subway Surfers that you can remember. The most I can remember is getting 1,600. Shoot! Shoot! Well, I'm gonna end it here right now. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe to the channel. And make sure you subscribe to my little brothers as well.